Transfer Toncoin from Bitget to Tonkeeper. So how to transfer Toncoin from Bitget to Tonkeeper is easy and simple. Now first of all, open the Bitget app and make sure you are logged into your account. After that, tap on Assets and now select Spot and now tap on Withdraw. Now search for Ton to be able to select it. After you find it, tap on it and now tap on On-Chain Withdrawal. Now for here, as you can see, we select the Ton. The network is as default as select by Ton. Now we need the withdrawal address. Now I will float this window and I will go to Tonkeeper to get the withdrawal address. Now for here, we want to receive Ton. So click on Ton. And now from here, as you can see, tap on receive. Now as you can see, copy the withdrawal address and now go back to Bitget and I will expand this. Now after that, paste the address here, as you can see. And now you don't need memo because you copied the special address from the Tonkeeper. Now from here, the withdrawal, just enter or type how much you want to send. Now for here, as you can see, this is the fee that we will pay and this is how much we will receive. Now after you are ready to go, just tap on withdraw and confirm the transaction and you will be able to transfer Toncoin from Bitget to Tonkeeper. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.